Yes. Nah, no trades today, Dan. I stayed away. Caught the sun though. Burnt as a motherfucker. What's good, Dan? What's good, Briley? It's Rhea. Hey, what's up? We'll get into it in a second anyway. I just want to see if the live stream picks up. Oh shit, I still got my music playing. Fuck. Sunburn, boy, I'm telling you. Fuck it now. Wales is hot. Got butt up. Look at my face. Burn. Oh, fuck them shades. Why I'm even wearing shades in the house. Yeah. So, couple of giveaways. Giving away accounts. Futures accounts. Yeah, I took a day off trading today, man. It was too much for me. I couldn't be sat in the house on a day like this. I got bit by a fucking spider too. You see that shit? Fucking spider bit me. Fucking spider bite. Motherfucker. What's my thing? Red lines. Yeah. Yeah. Red lines. And I'm giving away 2 50k futures accounts for Goat Funded Trader 2. No, I'm not live on Discord, nah. So, wait, there I go. My fucking annual A play in 2 seconds. Told you, man, I'm on a vibe today. Alright, so let me just wait for a sec. See how many people want to actually get involved. People are probably chilling, or people are probably burnt up from the sun like me. But yeah, we're still going to be trading and shit. I want to show you the plan. I want to show you the plan for London session and the plan for New York. That is it. And I want to give away some shit too. But yeah, simple for the giveaways. I'll get into it in a minute. And the fucking trading plan is going to be more strict. So seeing as I'm back on YouTube or whatever, I'm streaming live for you lot tomorrow, New York, then I'll be showing you my plan, getting you ready for the steps that we'll be taking, and obviously telling you why we won't be taking trades as well, like if there's a reason we shouldn't be taking trades. All right, but how has you lot's weekend been anyway? You do any work besides trading? Nope, just trading, man. Yeah, fusion markets is my bread and butter. Shout out Fusion Markets. But yeah, full-time trading. South Africa in the house. What's good? Don't worry, I'm gonna get to the giveaways and stuff in a minute. So I'm gonna be giving away 3 Redline Futures accounts. And I'm gonna be giving away 2 GOAT funded futures accounts as well, 50k ones. 1-step accounts for the both of them, 50k, 0 consistency rule. Then, all right, so London's hot, yeah, boy. Right now in Wales it's still 32 degrees, bro. That's why I'm all fucking hot and red and this bandana's only on because it's soaking with cold water. I burnt though today and I got bit by a fucking spider as well. Motherfucker, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Went to Flamborough, shit was hot, damn. What about some Henny to give away too? That's gotta be Disco, no? Disco's the only Hennessy drinker I know. I'm just sipping on my Stumpy beers. Yo, Meech was good. Mm. 29 in the chat so far. Cool. We'll wait, man. We'll wait for a minute. Give it a few minutes. If we don't hit 50, then I'll just get on to the giveaways or whatever and show you my plan for London session and New York session, because I'm going to be strict as hell coming up these next few days. Also, I want to run you through my P&L as well, because I ain't run you through my profits and losses from last week on my 100k challenge, and I want to be transparent with you lot. So no Disco, but I want success like you and Disco, so figure it's due to the Henny. I ain't even got the Henny up here, bro. No, I got like 2 crates of Wagwans and some Stumpies. I've been trying to lay off the spirits though, real talk. Oh, I'm so fucking hot, man. This is a joke. How are we gonna live trade all week doing this shit? So yeah, I'll be back on my London vibes tomorrow. London session tomorrow. All right. Chat's just like tweaking between 26, 28, going back down. No one wants to see a pasty white motherfucker in a bandana talking shit. I get it. But I want to give people... Yeah, 7 a.m. for London. Correct. In the premium Discord, though. So, if you I have to say, be careful with what I'm saying now, but if you want to get involved with the premium Discord and trade Londons with me and get the group coaching calls and the boot camp and stuff, hit this QR code or just go to the link in the description. Yo, it ain't showing my QR code. Oh, it is. It is. Yeah, I'm going to be trading 1 minute candles and 5 minutes. I'm going to run you through the plan in a sec. So I'm going to give you the plan on the screen. Then I'm going to drop it in the free Discord announcement so you can just grab it, look at it and be like, oh, that's kind of... It's not a PDF, it's just a plan. But yeah, if you want my premium, then that's the link right there, the QR code, all that. Alright. Also, Apex as well, 90% discount if you want to use my code CAFX01 at the checkout. Get yourself 90% off this Apex accounts right now. Yeah, just use the code CAFX01. And the last promo before I get into my business is the 50% off of GOAT funded trader. Only futures accounts though. Instant and pro accounts. 50% off. Use the code CAFX Pro 50. And that's my promos out the way, man. All right, so been a member since day one. Yes, Bumblebee. Yeah, I needed a day off today. I couldn't do it. How fast are GOAT funded payouts? I ain't had one yet, so yeah, I'm gonna show you my P&L in a minute. I'm gonna show you how I stay under the consistency rule. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know, man. All right. How's you lot's weekend been anyway? Did anyone trade London or New York today? How was the bank holiday markets treating you lot? Apex is not working in South Africa. Damn. I don't get why like prop firms make it weird for like people to like trade is weird. Like in different countries and shit. No trades for me today. Cool. Same. All right. Let's cut the music. All right. So, um, all right. So basically, it's 29. It ain't really fluctuating more than that right now. So that's cool. I get it. US30 was a banger for me today. This is your first time with Redline, or have you tested it out before? Well, so to answer that question, no, I've never tested Redline out yet. I will be tomorrow. So I'll be trading London session with my Redline accounts, and I'll be trading New York session with my GOAT funded futures account. All right, I've got some Apex accounts stacked up. So basically, I'm going to show you right now the plan and how I'm going to approach London session, how I'm going to approach New York session, because realistically, since coming back, I'm getting a little bit of a headache. Let me get these fucking glasses so I can't really see the phone properly. As eyes went dumb. Oh, I missed out. Shit. Man. Trying to look on the phone to see the chat. All right, cool. So chat, tomorrow I'll be trading my Redline futures funded accounts, or well, not funded, challenges on London session. Then New York session, I'm going to be trading the GOAT funded futures. I've got some Apex accounts stacked up. I'm going to be getting a copy trader and all of that stuff. I'm going to show you how to do all of that once I've figured out myself, right? You know, trade sinkers, all that shit. But I want to just stack up prop firms this year and hit the prop firms hard, because I took let's call it a £13,000 GBP withdrawal out my fusion markets this week, so I'm good. All right, so I got 13 bags. I've been trading my fusion. I still trade Ultima markets. I still do shit behind the scenes, but it's impossible for me to jump on lives and fucking trade every single time I'm trading, because I'm not even at the computer half the time. I'm just on my phone. The most money I make is from trading from my phone. Just in bed, chilling, see a trade. Oh, cool. Boom. In there. Risk a band to make 3, 4, whatever. We can get into that shit. But listen, for the giveaways, firstly, I want to do that before I even show you my plan. So if you want a chance to get yourself a 50k Redlines futures account, all right, just, you know, just a challenge, all right, or even there's two now, so I gotta do the Redline first, all right. So basically, you gotta go follow Redline futures on IG. Redline futures, all right, Redline funded futures, that's what they're called. Just type it in and you'll see the tick. Follow them, all right, like their latest post, screenshot that shit to me and drop it in my fucking DMs in Insta. And I'm gonna look at all my DMs anyway. I got to, because that's the only way I can go through them and choose out of you lot. It's not a lot of you on here anyway, so there's gonna be a big up, like, you know, the majority of you right now, you've got a chance. So go do that first. Also, my IG as well, what you can see right now, Connor Alexander Effects. I need you to go follow that and smash a like on my latest post. So screenshot the both of those things and you got a chance of getting yourself a 50k account. All right, that's all it is for the red line. And you're banned on IG. All right, what about Twitter? You can do Twitter as well. Go follow the Twitter. All right, but there it is. That's basically what it is for that red line. And then for the GOAT funded futures, all you got to do is literally nothing to do with following them or any shit like that. Just bang a like on my latest post, all right, or any one of them. Just look at I've got 3. Just bang a like on one of them, screenshot that shit, and screenshot that you followed me, and yeah, whatever, it is what it is. And I'll be giving out 2 GOAT funded futures accounts. I'll fucking do it live or whatever, and I'll be doing the Meech and I'll be doing the Redline Futures live as well. But that's all it is you need to do, basically. Just follow Redline Futures on IG or X. Go to X, find them, screenshot that shit to me and my account as well. That's basically for the giveaways. But I'll be giving away 3 to 5 prop firm challenges every month, maybe even 10. It depends, because some of these I'm paying for myself, so I'll pay for the GOAT funded futures accounts and I'll pattern you up, so I'll do that stuff myself. Also, I will be giving away actual money as well. So like, this is just giveaways for prop firms. I'll be giving away coin as well, so you can like stay tuned, rock with me, subscribe, just stay with the channel, stay loyal, and I promise you every month I'll be giving away at least a bag or 2 to some lucky person in the chats. But listen, get involved, man, if that's what you want. But let me quickly show you some shit, right? So this is my London plan. Okay, no, let me show you the New York plan, actually, because this YouTube is going to be for free. So I'm going to be trading on YouTube for free, and this is my plan. So I'm about to share my screen with you. Let me know if you can see this shit, right? Oh, let me hide the Discord. For some reason, Discord's just showing me Discord. All right, you can see my Discord. I understand that. I'm a little bit retarded when it comes to this stuff, so just bear with me for a minute. There, that's the one. All right, there it is. All right, so tell me if you can see this. Bang a 1 in the chat if you can see my New York session plan. All right, that's all I want to know. All right, cool, sweet. So New York traders, all right, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trading NASDAQ only. The only way that I'll trade US 30 is if NASDAQ is given terrible, and I mean terrible, low volume, choppy looking ass charts on the 1 minute time frame. Or otherwise, tomorrow, this is how we're hitting up New York. And this is a plan. This is an actual easy 3-step plan that's going to keep us winning. And because I believe that the way I pass my prop firms, not believe, I know, the way I passed my prop firms and I made my money with Top Step was because I had a plan. I wasn't splitting my screens. I wasn't getting brave. I wasn't doing none of that bullshit. I was sticking to the one pair, even the one time frame sometimes, where I maybe go back and watch my old stuff. But this is how I'm going to break it down to you. So we're going to come to the New York session. We're going to look at NASDAQ. I'm looking on a 5 minute time frame, and I'm looking for structure. All right. So if we're tweaking on the 5 minute and we're choppy and we're a bit rangy, I'll just go to the 1 minute. I'm not going to the 15 minute because I don't fuck with the 15 minute. I only look at the 15 minute when I'm already in a trade. So basically, we're going to go look at the 5 minute time frame and go, is it making higher highs or lower lows? Well, if it's not doing any of that, then I'm going to go to the 1 minute time frame and I'm going to go and look and see, is it making higher highs and higher lows or whatever, right? We're looking for a trend basically, but only on a 5 minute and a 1 minute. So that's step 1. Then step 2 is marking up our support and resistance. Now, our support and resistance isn't going to be every single tiny bit of support and resistance. It's a main range support and resistance. Or if we're in an uptrend, like you can see there, where my mouse is, right? No, my mouse is not in the right place. Around there. Right now, where my mouse is tweaking around and you can see it, if we ain't seeing shit like this, like the only place I'm marking my support and resistance, you'll be with me anyway, is clean like the range ones. I'm looking to target support and resistance. So I'm not doing all that mad in between shit. All right. And then the third and final step is just entering on the breakout. So on that open of the New York stock market open, 9:30 Eastern time, I am getting in, whether that's the 1 minute or the 5 minute time frame, whatever one I choose and I stick to. And I don't give a shit what US 30 got to do. I don't care if US 30 had an amazing day, because let me explain something to you right now that you might not understand. A lot of you probably do. US 30 and NASDAQ, they're brother and sister, or they're brother and brother, whatever you want to call them. One of them are going to move really good one day. One of them are going to move bad. But guess what? If you stick to NASDAQ or US 30, whatever one you choose, you stick to one time frame, you stick to one entry mode, which is getting in on the breakout of the high or the low of the first bit of structure you see. All we're trying to do is target that liquidity or smash and grab, right? So step one, look for structure. 5 minute or 1 minute, don't matter which one's cleaner. Step two, support and resistance. Step three, breakout, target the resistance or target the support. Easy as that. And I've also got the indicator we can use. So we're going to be killing it. There's nothing in my mind that's telling me right now we ain't going to kill it. We need to take it seriously. We need to start, not just you lot, me too. I need to start coming to these charts and going, right, all right, Connor, you had it figured out. Yeah, fair enough. You know how to trade. But you also need to, I need to understand this, people who fully don't understand it yet. And I still need to act like I'm hungry and I'm on that beginner grind stuff, right? So NASDAQ's my pair for New York. Jot that in your notepad if you want. All right, that's what I'm looking at. I don't care. I'm not double screening shit unless I genuinely have to, because NASDAQ looks so ugly. That's the only way I'm doing it. But NAS is my number one. So we're trading NAS. We're trading the New York stock market open, which is the 9:30 Eastern. And we're just trading breakouts. That is it. Because the more I look at it and look back on my recent stuff, I'm like, damn, you're fucking up, bro. Like, you're double screening it, you're doing this, you're doing that. So if you want to be serious and actually pass prop firms and make money, you need a plan. You need a three-step plan. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Like, it can be anything, but for me is trend or even a range. It don't matter. I need to see some structure though somewhere. I need to see an opportunity for when that opens, I'm getting in with zero hesitation. And if it reverses on me, I ain't caring about the fake out. I don't give a shit about a fake out. So yeah, that's basically it. So tomorrow, show up, New York, we're turning up. I'm focused, I'm locked in. There's gonna be, I think we're going to be on a straight winning streak. And like, listen, we're going to lose. We're going to definitely get losing days. There's going to be losing days. But if we overall stick to the plan and we only trade the one pair and we get fucked up on the first entry and it does us in for a 1-to-1, well, the second entry is surely going to give us back more than a 1-to-1. And if it doesn't, then guess what we lose? 2 trades. And if you're trading a 0.5%, which you should be, then that means you lose 1% in a fucking day. So it doesn't matter. So, all right, that's my rant over. I'm going to show you as well before I leave my P&L from last week on my Goat Finder Trader. Yo, Connor, I can't send you anything messages on IG. Maybe they're in the requests. I think you can, but they're just going to be in the requests. So don't worry. I'm going to go through the requests. But just to be safe, actually, everyone, I just told you the instructions for the giveaway. If you still ain't knowing, then the giveaway basically, just, how can I even do that if it ain't IG? Discord. Just Discord DM me. Like, this, like, I'll go through my requests because I know that there's a challenge on the go, all right? So as long as you get that screenshot to me, that you followed me, you follow Redline Futures, and you put a like on the fucking last post, all right, then that's all I care about. So get it to me on Discord or get it to me on Instagram, and I promise you I'm going to go through it, pick you all, get all your names, put it in one of those spinny things, and Twitter or Discord. I mean, I got X as well, but like Discord would be better. So if you're in my free Discord already, just Discord me. I'll look through my shit. Like I'll be forced to because it's a challenge. Not a challenge, sorry, a giveaway. What am I talking about? For the challenges. But anyway, this is New York right now, okay? New York session plan. Let me get the next one up. 2 seconds, my people. Let me get the next one. London session. This is for the premium Discord members only, because I don't trade London for free. So London session plan. We're going to be finding clean structure on a 5-minute time frame, but we will be trading the 1-minute time frame because it's London. So we're going to be looking for our structure on a 5-minute, but this is where it comes in that we can take counter trend trades and all that shit, but we'll be trading the 1-minute time frame, right? Don't get it twisted. London session from 7 o'clock in the morning UK time until 8:30. So I'll be live for an hour and a half looking for my trades, and if there's nothing clean, we just walk away. Now I'm going to be trading gold and I'm going to be trading Nasdaq, one or the other. Whichever one's giving me cleaner vibes, whatever's breaks first or whatever, we're going to be trading that, right? So London's slower, lower in volume. I can actually manage it more. So it's the same exact shit really as this New York, apart from London is a little bit slower. So yeah, step 3, look to enter on the breakout of a trend line, a shift in structure, which would just be a little breakout. So say we was in an uptrend and we come back to a support, I'm going to go to the 1-minute time frame after the 5-minute of come back to a support. I'm going to look for my entry on the 1-minute time frame, and that is it. It's simple, easy breakout stuff, all right? But like I said, just get your risk management in check and understand I'm trading a prop firm. I'll show you in a minute. But I'm trading basically a 100K account for London because it's 250K redline futures ones, and I'll be trading 100K gold funded trader one as well. So I just want to let you know, 5-minute time frame is my time frame, what I look for in structure. If it's ranging and it's choppy and it's ranging on the 1-minute time frame, we walk away, because I'm going to start normalizing walking away. Like walking away from a bad trading day is absolutely fine. I don't normalize that enough. So what do we do to get the gold funded account? You literally do, all you got to do is go, where's my thing? So basically, Connor Alexander FX, you see it right there? Connor Alexander FX, all right, on Instagram. All you got to do is follow me and like my latest post and screenshot that shit to me on Instagram or my Discord. Just show me the screenshots and you're in. You're literally in for a chance. I'll just pick. And it's not even many people in the chat. It's like 33. So you've got a big chance, whoever's even asking. But yeah, that's all it is. I'm giving 2 gold funded traders accounts away, and I'm giving 3 to 5, maybe even 10 redline futures ones a month. But right now I'm only like, you know, I'm only gonna promise you 3 right now. But yeah, even without those though, even without that shit, do you know what I mean? Even without that bullshit, like I've got loads of bots and fake people following and all that bullshit. So like, it's fucked up. It feels like, because if you go on Telegram or you go anywhere and you search my name, Connor Alexander FX, there's so many fake things. There's so many people rinsing people for money with my name. I've got a fucking bunch of bots and shit like in my stuff. I got fucking fake followers and shit. Like, if I know you lot are from the chat, like real peoples, and I know you, I'm gonna follow you back. But anyway, that's how it is. All right. So yes, Sebastian, that's absolutely fine. Just screenshot that shit, show me, and you're in for a chance. But anyway, like I said, for the London traders who want to trade with me, the QR code is on the screen right now, and yeah, it's literally $40 premium. You get a GOAT boot camp as well. You get to watch all the replays. You get exclusive learning shit and all that. You get group coaching calls, whatever. I got everything you need to know is on this website basically. So anything, even one-on-one mentorship and stuff is all there. The Apex promos right there. CAFX01, get yourself 90% off an Apex right now, any challenge. And for the last thing I'm going to say is the GOAT funded trader. Oh yeah, let me get onto my stats as well. But yeah, use the code CAFX Pro 50 at the checkout for the GOAT funded trader. Futures accounts only, all right? Not Forex. So before I dip, I am going to show you my P&L and how my week was last week. So 2 seconds and bear with me. And I'm going to show you some shit. 2 seconds. Oh, you're mad. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. The fucking mic was off. The mic was off. Oh my god. I gotta redo the whole thing. For fuck's sake, like, literally gotta redo the thing now because the mic was off. Right, so. Oh my god, this is funny as fuck. Alright, so anyway, for you watching and the microphone was off, my bad. Alright, so you can still see my screen. What I was saying was, let's go from the start again. Fuck's sake, let's go back. So 44%. I'm basically halfway through my challenge. This is my New York account. My consistency rule. Wait, 2 seconds. Yeah, when I'm locked in, bro. I'm not gonna lie, when I'm locked in, I'm locked in. Shit, my bad. Damn. I was in such a flow as well. You could see it. Fuck. Damn, sorry about that, people. Alright, wait there, 2 seconds. Let me make sure that it's lit now and you can actually hear me and shit. Alright, so, fuck's sake. Alright, so let me start that again. So let me just quickly break it down. I was locked in. Sorry, I'm locking again. So the target profit I've achieved so far is almost 50%, alright? My consistency score is under 50, which is what you want when you're in a challenge phase with like anything like Top Step, Goat Funded Trader. They don't want you to pass in the day, basically. They're saying, you know, be consistent. Don't be going for massive wins. So because I'm on a 100k account, I'm consistently going for like 500 to 1,000 wins. 2k would be my max. Yet I get some recovery days where, okay, yeah, I fucked up on a trade. It ate like a lot of money from me, $500-600. Then I'll go back and I'll recover sometimes. But out of 7 trading days, I've had 2 red days since I started this account, all right? So 50% win rate, I don't really give a shit about that. It doesn't even matter. But what I'm trying to say is, if you want to be consistent, a lot of people get scared of the consistency rule. So I want to break it down quickly to you. If you're on a 50k account, go for $500 to 1,000 max per day or per trading session, and only trade 1 session. Don't be trading New York and then come into London and fucking it up. Get yourself 2 accounts, all right? Then what else was it I was about to say? Because the consistency score's good. My win rate's good. You want more green on the calendar, of course. But yeah, that's what I was saying as well when I was muted. This 6k is what I can lose. So I can lose $6,670 before blowing the account. And I only need to make 3. So I ain't saying that I'm going to pass this week, but I've got more odds, you know, sticking to my rule set of me passing than me losing 6k. If I lose 6Ks because I went on tilt, I fucked up, I started doing some dumb shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what I wanted to say anyway. So I'm messing with Goat Funded Trader right now. Goat Funded Futures, sorry, because Goat Funded Traders is the Forex version. I'm also messing with Apex. I got a few of those accounts stacked up, and I'm messing with Redline. So I'll be trading Redline futures tomorrow during the London session. And whether that's a 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts, I don't know. But yeah, you lot got an opportunity to get yourself a free challenge. Do you know what I mean? So just do what I said. Watch the video back if you didn't catch it, because this will be up on YouTube anyway in the replays. But yeah, man, that's all I had to say basically. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow, even though it's roasting and I do not want to be sat in this chair trading. We still need to get to the bag. So any questions before I dip? You in the zone? No, I was with the fucking microphone muted. Yep, I agree, Derek, man. When I'm locked in, I'm fully locked in. It's kind of bad though, because sometimes on Discord I do that shit and I'm like just about to press buy or sell, and I look at the chat and everyone's like, yo bro, we can't see your screen, and I'm like, oh no, I've been marking up my shit for 30 minutes. Thomas Bilderberg, where's the beats at? No, I had to mute the beats, bro. I had to mute the beats. Yo, Connor, what's good? Yo, what's up, man? Slim, I see you. So yeah, basically that's all I wanted to come on for anyway. But yeah, there's like 33 of you in the live, so you got a good chance of getting yourself an account, and I'll do it fair too. I'll make everything transparent. But that's all I wanted to come on and say. So For the New York traders, you already seen the plan. Tomorrow I'll be trading NASDAQ. Wait, it's the wrong one. My shit's messy right now. Alright, so this is the New York plan. So for you lot right now, this is what you need to be looking at if you're trading free with me. The New York session, we're going to be trading NASDAQ. This is basically it. So rewind the video, pause it, screenshot that shit, understand that's how I'm going to be trading. I'm only going to be trading a 1 minute if the 5 minute is absolutely disgusting. And that's all it is. I'm looking for structure at the end of the day. And if we have to move to US 30, I will, but I really don't want to, because I'd rather take a losing day on my NASDAQ than switch pairs, you know what I mean, and start getting myself all fucked up. You need a real strict trading plan to pass prop firms and take payouts. And not just that, trade a personal account too, do you know what I mean? But prop firms are a lot more vicious and there's a lot more rules. With a personal account, you can deposit 10K and lose the 10K. You can't do that with a prop firm. They give you $100,000 buying power, but all you can lose is 4. So understand that shit. Magic Slim, you guys. No, I'm just hot, bro. Honestly, I'm so hot. Today is like almost record high for Wales. It's not there, but still. Been loving your videos. I've been grinding Mamba strategy for years now, and your videos help me perfect it. Don't have time to trade, but when I do, get great success from the strategy. That's the shit that I like to hear, bro, because it's easy, it's simple, and it's consistent. Yeah. But yeah, this video now, when I end the live, you can just rewatch it and literally you'll see everything that I said. So love to you all. I'm going to jump off because I'm absolutely overheating right now and I don't want to be sitting in this leather chair. I'm sticking to it and shit. But yeah, respect for locking in. We get to business tomorrow. I'll be up at 7. Well, I'll be before that, but 7 o'clock in the morning for the London traders in my premium Discord. You ready? We're hitting them pre-markets and we're hitting the London market. And we're looking for a nice, clean one setup. If I got to sit on the fucking charts for an hour and a half to get my setup, I will. But that's the max that I'm doing. And New York traders, be ready for the New York session. That's all I have to say. But bless up. And once again, love for always locking in and showing support. But watch this video back if you didn't get anything clear, alright?